Hello friends, I am Miss V and it's so good to have you back. In our previous video, we've learned so much about electrolysis and now we're going to be carrying out an amazing experiment. We're going to try powering a standing fan using table salt and water. How is that even possible? Let's find out. So like we established earlier in our previous video, we talked about electrodes. When immersed in electrolytes, how it can conduct electricity. So here with me is a bowl that has electrodes, both the anode and cathode, which is the positive and the negative pole inside this bowl. Now we talked about water and table salt, how it can conduct electricity. So I'll put in my water. Worthy of note, water can conduct electricity, yes, but it's actually a weak conductor of electricity. So let's put on our fan to see what happens. Whoa, it's actually trying to move. Now I'll add my table salt to it and see what happens. Whoa, it's actually moving fast. So I'll add more and see what happens. Wow, 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 that's lovely. Now, the higher the concentration of salt in water, the higher the voltage and the faster the speed of the fan. Wow, this feels so good. I really feel so cool right now. I hope you really try this at home and you have fun doing this. Now, that was an experiment on electrolysis. I really had fun carrying out that experiment and I'm sure you did too. And I hope you try yours at home. Have fun while you try yours and goodbye.